Yeah, we're in the middle of cooking chicken wings. Oh yeah. You know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna go straight for the Mayo. Hellman's. Oh, it's not going in. Oh, it's not going in. Oh my God. So what we're gonna do? It's not going in. We're just doing Mayo on this. On my chicken wings. Mayo. We're not doing no greasy stuff. Mayo. You know? That's all we do. Then we got this little magic brush. And we do it. Oh yeah. Magic brush. You know. Oh yeah, so nice. Oh yeah, now we're gonna flip them. So now this is when you flip the wing. Flip the wing to the other side. Flip them. Big flip. This is called the big flip. Very important. You want to flip your wing so every side gets cooked. Very easy, you know, very easy. It's called flip it off. Flip it off. Yeah. Like that. Beautiful, beautiful wings. Beautiful wings. What we're gonna do now is add a little bit of olive oil. This is what we're gonna do. Just a little. Like that. And cover it up. We're gonna cover the chickens up. Oh yeah, thank you for watching. God bless. Merry Christmas 2019. We're getting it. We're cooking. Turn it up. Turn up the temp. Oh yeah. Chicken wings look beautiful. They look beautiful. Julie can't wait to eat them. Wow. Thank you for watching. And peace. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.